Prince Edward Island holds first scheduled draw of 2022. In my last video, I already explained the year-round schedule of Prince Edward Island's provincial nominee programs draws, and you can see the dates of the draws for the whole year. So today, in connection to that schedule, the first Prince Edward Island scheduled draw is here. The Prince Edward Island Provincial Nominee Program holds draws on a monthly basis throughout the year, guys. The Prince Edward Island Provincial Nominee Program invited total of 132 immigration candidates on January 20th. Very recent, guys, almost. Express entry and labor impact candidates received the most invitations. Combined, they received a total of 121. The remaining 11 invitations business impact candidates who had provincial scores of at least 72 points. The Prince Edward Island PNP schedules its draws for the year in advance, and this is the first scheduled draw of the year for the Maritime Province. In 2021, Prince Edward Island invited 1,804 candidates, and 1,697 of which were from the Labor Impact and Express Entry streams, and 157 from the Business Impact stream, guys. I will just walk you through Prince Edward Island PNP Express Entry category, guys. The Prince Edward Island PNP's Express Entry category is an enhanced PNP. That means it's linked with the federal government's express entry system. In order to be considered for this stream, you must have a profile in the express entry system. Express entry is an immigration application manager. It handles the applications for 3 economic class immigration programs. First one, Federal Skilled Worker Program. Second, Federal Skilled Trade Program, and third, Canadian Experience Class. Eligible candidates get a comprehensive ranking system score for their age, work experience, education, and language proficiency in English or French. Express entry candidates who receive a provincial nomination are given an additional 600 points towards their CRC score and are effectively guaranteed an invitation to apply for permanent residence in a subsequent express entry draw. In order to be considered for a provincial nomination from Prince Edward Island, express entry candidates need to create an expression of interest profile with the Prince Edward Island PNP. Expression of interest profile are given point based on the province's unique points grid. The highest scoring candidates are then invited to apply through monthly draws. There are 2 categories. Labor Impact category. The Labor Impact category is for foreign nationals who have a valid job offer in Prince Edward Island and have support from their employer. It is divided into 3 streams. First one is skilled worker, second critical worker, and third one is international graduate. Candidates in this category must also submit an expression of interest in order to be considered for a provincial nomination through the Labor Impact category. Business Impact category is the second one. Business Impact category candidates need to meet the minimum provincial score requirements in order to proceed with their application. The score is different in every draw. The invitations that the Prince Edward Island PNP sent in today's draw were issued under the work permit stream, which is for foreign entrepreneurs who want to own and operate a business on the island. This is Khalil. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, do subscribe it please and click the bell icon button so that new videos notification you can get on time. If you found this video informative and helpful, then give a big thumb to this video. Thanks for watching this video and subscribing this channel as well. See you soon in Canada, guys.